Good day, I am Glendale B. Manggubat and I will interview a regular enthusiast, Miss Stephanie B. Manggubat. So, what type of lifestyle do you have at the present and why did you choose this kind of lifestyle?
I choose this lifestyle because it allows me to escape some stressful situations. It is my walking is my little escape. It provided me with some temporary peace, and walking is more than just an escape. It also taught me to appreciate nature and the fact that my body can be healthy and just walking every day is also a benefit.
So, what was your turning point that made you realize to engage in a physical activity and what keeps you motivated?
First and foremost, I appreciate the surroundings. Walking has become my go-to method for getting away from bad days, especially now that I'm very stressed in school and I need to unwind or have time for myself. Um, And I also enjoy the calm that comes with nature. Walking can also improve my mental health and ultimately promote overall wellness.
And lastly, Miss, as an exercise enthusiast or regular exerciser, what will you advise to a person with no interest in engaging physical activity?
The only thing I can advise to those people who are lazy and kanang murag wala sila yung motivation para mag-exercise, that exercise is really good for you and your mental health, and that um, it is essential, or it is significant for our overall wellness. And well, you might initially think na uy kapoy maglakaw or kapoy magkuan, but it's for your own good. If you stick um, to your exercise routine or that way of life, you'll discover that there are few advantages. Not only ma-enjoy nimo ang imong time alone or imong time with your friends kung kinsa mong mga kuyog mag-exercise, but also you'll be able to maintain a calm I think thoughts or head while doing so, and finally you'll lead a healthy lifestyle. That's all.
Thank you. Again, good day. The lesson I learned to Miss Stephanie is exercising is not for the weak. Having a regular basis or have a regular jogging, walking, or any kind of exercise, it is not just you can have a healthy lifestyle, but also you can escape a little bit with your problems such as your ACADS. And it can have you a little temporary peace of mind. And lastly, it can develop your body to have a strong immune system and other more. And keeping good healthy foods. And that's it. Thank you.